When I stenciled the stencils, they went on really nice. And I left it for a day or two maybe. And then I thought I probably should get like clean off a little bit so it doesn't get like too purple. I feel like we're in trouble. I did manage to get some off, but that's about it. This is what I sprayed on to get the grease off the fake skins. So I'm now trying to use the same to clean off the fake skin. But I feel like what came off, and what's in, it's in. I wanted to do them in black and grey, but now seeing this, we might need to go in colour. I feel like only having in colour might cover the purple lines. They might disappear when I tattoo, but I doubt it. I did a good job putting the stencil on, didn't I? I feel like I just left it too long. Couple hours too long. Well, from a bright side, I'm not gonna lose all these details. I did manage to get carried away, didn't I? I'll spray, leave them for like 2 hours. We'll see what that gives us or what it looks like. We'll need to keep eye on it just so the old stencil doesn't disappear.